Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your Audi key. Flip it over, press this button and separate the physical key. Then flip it back over and you'll see there's another button here. It's black so you can't really tell the difference like that silver separation, but you want to push that in and then separate the bigger part of the key. Now there's an O-ring that's keeping that sealed, so it may be difficult to pull that apart. This is your battery. This is the battery orientation where the bottom has all the writing on it. You want to pay attention to that because you want to make sure you reinstall the new battery the same way. So these are the batteries that you're going to want. There's Duracell types, and Amazon sells their Amazon Basics, which are a little cheaper. Not sure which lasts longer, so if you're feeling spendy, you can buy these. I'll leave a link to both of these in the video description below, so feel free to check those out. They are affiliate links and they do help the channel, so appreciate it if you buy via those links. Okay, back to the key. So with your new battery, all you have to do with the writing down is insert that back in, make sure that's nice and flat, and then push that back in. If you saw there, it was like a little bit of a red blink. That lets you know your battery is good. Put your physical key back in and try out your key. Make sure this lights up red and you're good to go. Anyway, I hope this video helps you out and I will catch you in the next one. Again, link in the description for the exact battery that you need. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.